Hello everyone, this is Lourd Ramos, your Unilever hair care expert. And today I'm very excited because there are a lot of women out there because of the ECQ cannot cut and go to the parlors and salons that they love. But wait, there's good news because today I'm going to be sharing with you how to cut your hair for women, your bangs, and your hair. And we're back. So we need to know the following tools that you'll be needing to cut your hair. Of course, you need a pair of scissors. It's okay if you don't have the professional scissors. Just use a very sharp scissors from your kitchen or maybe your school supply scissor. If you have a thinning scissor, it's perfect. This is a great help as well. We need also a comb. And of course, some clips. And your brushes because you need to tangle and detangle your hair, okay? And of course, if you don't have your cape, you can use a trash bag that I may use, and so that you don't have a problem. And of course, last but not least, your towel. And do not forget your Dove Intense Shampoo Repair and Conditioner. This is your Intense Repair line. So, before you're cutting your hair, definitely dapat you should already shampoo and condition your hair. A lot of people would ask me if I can use Dove every day. Of course, yes. Because the more you use it, the more the keratin repair actives repair the damage of your hair. So you can use the shampoo and conditioner every single day. So when you shampoo, be sure na nasa-scrub niyo yung scalp niyo and then your hair. And then be sure that you rinse and lather really, really well with water. And then, of course, use the conditioner, and if you can leave it for about 30 to 1 minute, that would be perfect. Okay, so let's start to cut your hair. Definitely you need a towel to protect your neck, and then of course what I told you earlier, if you don't have a cape, so don't worry, so we'll use my trash bag like a cape just to protect you from having hair all over. Then of course I'm gonna show you my hair. So I will wear a wig so you can see how you're going to cut your hair and your bangs perfectly. Yan, transformation. So I'm a girl today. So step 1, you need to section your hair properly para hindi siya maging palpak. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. First, you need to clip most of your hair at the back so you can see your bangs properly. And then the second thing that you're gonna do is find your eyebrows, right and left. There, I found it. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna create a triangle section from your crown going here, okay? Don't forget that, crown section. So you're gonna do that by clipping and sectioning it properly. There you go. That's one. And then, of course, don't forget this one. It should be a triangle section. Why triangle? Because it is the perfect symmetry to cut a person's bang. Okay? So now you're going to decide what kind of bang are you cutting. Is it a side swept? Is it a full bang? Because I'm going to show you 3 kinds of bang cutting. Okay? So first one, you're going to make sure that everything is combed. If you have a water spray gun, then it's perfect. Okay? So what we're going to do is never pull this up, but definitely pull it down. Okay, and it's also better to cut your bangs when it's kind of dump dry wet, okay? So what you're gonna do is do not cut the bang from this area but start in the middle, okay? Because if you keep on cutting your bangs from this side, you'll keep on going upwards and upwards and upwards hanggang maging Dora bangs sa kayo. And that doesn't look good, okay? So let's do this. As I mentioned earlier, we will not start from the right side or the left side. We will start in the middle part because this will be your guide, okay, guys? Don't forget, the middle part will be your guide. Okay, so how will I cut it? Definitely just pull it, look straight into the mirror, and then cut it. There you go. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm cutting it straight first. There you go. So the length will depend on your liking. Okay, look at it. And then after that, I need to comb it going to my left side. And then follow it downwards lang. Okay, there you go. Easy, okay? So we're gonna grab again remember the guide, which is the middle part, and go now on my right side. there you go. So I can find the guide that I like and then start cutting it again, okay? So that's how easy it is. So now I have already my length. Okay, how do I texture that? It's very simple also. What you do is grab your scissors and your comb together, try to lift it a little and then try to look at that, right? Try to look at that. Try to take out the uneven parts by doing a point cutting technique. A point cutting technique. Point, 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 point. Huwag niyong gagalawin ang inyong kamay habang hawak ang buhok. Let the hand with the scissor cut it through. Okay? There you go. Point cutting. And then you will see that it's like a veil, a very nice veil that will fall in your face. See? Look at that! So easy, okay? And then you flip it on the other side again. If you find it heavy, then if you have this kind of scissor, the thinning scissor, point cut it upwards. Horizontal, upwards. Okay, so it would look softer. Look at that. Achieve na achieve. And we're back for the second kind of bang that I'm gonna give you. It's called a little of the full bang, but in a texture layer. So let me just wear my Japanese-inspired hair. Wow! Okay, so this is how I look like every single day if I wake up with long hair. Okay, so just imagine that your bang is already overgrown. So again, let's find. Yeah, look at that. No, that's our problem. So let's find the triangle again. There you go. It's very important to section your hair properly because that will determine the way it will frame your face. Okay, so that's section number 1. And then again, the triangle area here. There you go. I found it. Section number 2. So clip it. Clips are essential. Kailangan nyo yan. Okay, and then now we're gonna figure out how do I cut my long layered bangs to become a little more shorter so I can see? Okay, so that's a big decision, okay? So what you're gonna do is try to hold it across your forehead so you can see there. So you can see how short you're gonna cut. So how to identify, okay, do I want an over the top of my eyebrows or do I want something like passing through under my eyebrows? Okay, I wanted like a little shorter on top of my eyebrows. So how do you do that? Again, get your comb and then get the guide, okay? Find the guide, okay? The guide should start in the middle, not on the sides, because if you start on the side again, you'll keep on cutting shorter and shorter and shorter until you don't have the bang anymore. Okay, so we're gonna get the guide in the middle part and we're going to start. This time it's not a start, it's a straight cutting. It's gonna be a point cutting for you guys. Pointed, look at that. Point, point. Do not move your hands holding the hair. It has to be a point cutting. There you go. I found it. Next, we're gonna move on the left side, combing it properly, going on the left side so I can see where my layers are. And then you're going to lift it again with your head and start cutting it that way, okay? You will design and you will also decide how short you will cut accordingly. The secret is you don't move your hands while you cut it. You stay put, okay? So now we're finishing this off. We're going on the other side, which is the right side. I have see, you can see the guide right away. And then you're going to cut it accordingly. Perfect. And guys, I'm good. Look at that. Oh, look at you, girl. You are shaped. You're back in shape. Oh, see? I'm very Japanese and Korean. And look at that. I just need my skeleton brush with me. And it's perfect. I'm back. Look at that. I'm so back. Okay? So we're back with the last kind of bang. So I'm gonna grab my extension, my bang extension. Here you go. I can't see there. Look, this is funny. Okay. There you go. Okay. Since it's a month and a half or so that your bang is already overgrown. So again, the secret is if you have a full bang, this is actually the fastest to cut. All you have to do is again, find the triangle section. There you go. And we will start cutting the fringe in the middle, okay? Again, the clips are essential. This will be your guide, guys. This will be your guide, okay? So find it. The first one we're gonna cut is the middle part. I want a full bang, like a super full bang. The secret here is do not move your comb and your hands while you cut the bang. So what we're gonna do is this. There you go. You're going to basically control, and cut. There you go. I did not move a muscle. Then do it again. I'm looking at my vanity mirror, so it's perfect. There you go. Whoo! Whoo, 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 whoo. There. So I have a perfect guide already. What we're gonna do again, guys, is we're gonna comb the rest of your full bang and then try to follow the guide that you created, okay? So that's my guide. I need to follow that, okay? Again, you need to press the comb. It's good when it's wet also. You press the comb. Perfect. And follow the guide. Whoa, that was quick. And on the other side. Just imagine the quick tips that you can do and cut your bangs, okay? Just be sure the scissors are very sharp and don't cut your eyebrows as well, okay? So try to press again and follow the guide. Look at that, guys. Wow, I have a perfect full bang and a squeaky moment. There you go. So I have my full bang with me. Look at that. I love it, okay? And that concludes our session on how to cut your own fringe, the veil, the layer, and the full bang. I hope we were able to help you in this kind of situation right now in the ACQ, but definitely we need to be super fabulous even though we're locked in our houses. So this has been Lourd Ramos, your Unilever hair kit expert. I hope we've given you all things hair to this. I love you and stay tuned for another episode of All Things Hair. This is Lourd Ramos. Bye!